Hello everyone, welcome to another PS4 video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can jailbreak PS4 version 9 automatically without needing a flash drive or any other stuff. So this is the version 9 and you need to disable the auto updates, all of them. I have this internet browser, let's launch it. I'm not connected to the internet yet, because it don't require internet, only for the first time to inject the host. So I press the latest golden hand, and as you can see, in just 5 seconds, without connecting any flash drive or anything, the PS4 is now jailbroken and I can launch my games. So now how you can do this, let's first close this completely, delete this from here and enable the network. So I have now connected to the internet. Let's restart to remove the jailbreak, and I'm going to show you in a moment. So we have our PS4 booted up. Let's go, we have the internet. Let's go to the browser and type here, and also let me show you that the game is locked, and we are going to type here exactly this: PS4 host .p30 day. It shows it up here because I have searched it before, but let's just type it .ir. So this is the IR, meaning this host is from Iran, and if you cannot access it and cannot log in to the website, you will need to use a VPN for the Middle East or the Iran itself to access it, and this is only for the first time to inject this hack. PS free need to be uppercase letters, and then index. This is the HTML, so HTML, and press R2 to go into this menu, and this is the golden hands. I'm going to use the latest one. Let's press. It's usually take a bit longer. There is a loading in here that completes for the first time, but since it's not the first time on this console, it didn't show that, but this is the same. You are going to press on the latest golden hand and wait for the loading to complete, and after that you just going to disable the network for the next boot up, and remember to not to close these windows or delete this file. So you have to connect to the internet again to find this. So that was all for this video. Thank you for watching until the end, and if this was helpful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.